Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing. So I'm going to discuss with you. I wanted to do practice, but I was not doing practice. I didn't have any consistency and continuously I was not doing practice because lack of time. I couldn't do this type of activity, and if we are trying, we will have to speak. If we want to do continuously this journey, if we have constant towards our journey any language, if we are speaking also Hindi as well, if we are trying, we are not to find it our time because lack of time we couldn't do. And so I'm also homemaker, so I couldn't find out my time. I didn't do find out my time. I was doing another work. So if we are trying, we will have to speak in front of camera, in front of our friends. And if we are trying every single day, so we will have to try. And if we are trying and we are serious towards of our journey towards any work. If for example, if we are cooking food, and if we don't want to do cook food, how can we eat that this food? So in this type, it's also journey of practice. If we don't know, we are not trying, we couldn't do find out my time. But it will be easy right now. I thought it must be do practice. And then I thought, and suddenly I'm doing practice here with you. And I support I need your support. If you will be subscribe my channel, and it will be good. And if we are trying every single day, every whole day, so it will be necessary. And it's my humble request. If you are like my video, so like, share and subscribe my channel. And so practice with you guys. If you will be support me, you will be help me. And then if I'm trying every single day, I know about my level. I'm not a fluent speaker. I am trying only with you. And we will have to practice every single day. If we are practice here and there in with our friend, with our po- population, and all people they know English. So we can create this environment. If we know properly, how can we find it this problem? It is also because we don't have atmosphere, we don't have an environment for speaking English. And if we are trying here and there with our friends, uh, with our kids also, with our here and there, we can create this environment. And we will have to try in front of mirror, and we will have to speak. And it will be easy. But just every topic we are seeing this bangles, show how can we wear this bangles. We can do practice in this as well. Because bangles, if bangles also, if we are fond of wearing bangles, we can so without fond of, how can we wear these bangles? So it depends of our ambition, depends of our desire. If we are fond of wearing any new clothes, and we can do also those type of activity. And it will be also necessary. It will be almost any time we can do this type of activity. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. So thank you. Listen me. Thank you for listen me.